Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the data preferences in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. You can just scroll down here and press on data preferences. And here you can just manage the data preferences. You can just scroll down and you can just enable or disable whatever you want here, and after that you can just simply leave the page, and any change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.